Unlock a world of secure and anonymous Amazon shopping by using your Paysafecard €1 no credit card needed. First things first, you'll need a Paysafecard. You can easily purchase these physical vouchers from a wide network of sales points like convenience stores and gas stations, or even online from authorized resellers. Once you have your Paysafecard, locate the 16-digit PIN code hidden beneath the scratch-off strip on the back of the voucher. Keep this code safe and ready to use. Now head over to Amazon.com and log into your account. You can browse and add any items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart as you normally would. When you're ready to check out, proceed to the payment section here. You'll see various payment options. Look for the option to pay with Paysafecard, which might be listed under other payment methods or as a direct option. Click on the Paysafecard option and you'll be prompted to enter your 16-digit PIN code. Carefully type in the code from your Paysafecard voucher. If your Paysafecard balance covers the full cost of your order, you're all set. The balance will be deducted directly from your Paysafecard. If your order costs more than your Paysafecard balance, you'll be asked to cover the remaining amount using another payment method like a debit or credit card. And that's it. Your Amazon purchase is now complete, all without needing to enter your credit card details online. Enjoy your secure and convenient shopping experience with Paysafecard on Amazon.